The hearing was held at the U.S. International Trade Commission in Washington by the Office of the U.S. Trade Representative. 61 witnesses were assigned to 8 panels, and each had 5 minutes to express his views. The hearing was not available for recording, but there were more opponents than supporters of the proposed tariffs.
We think there is an opportunity for U.S. and China to come together to address these concerns about intellectual property and technology transfer, but not through tariffs.
As I indicated in my testimony before the Section 301 Commission today, the vapor products and the vapor technology was invented in China in 2003, and many of the developments and innovations in that technology occurred in China. So the risk of technology transfer from the United States to China is very low.
We've encouraged them, strongly encouraged them, to negotiate with China, not to just, throw up tariff walls, going tit for tat.
The hearing will continue until Monday. A total of 358 witnesses will express their views during the 6 sessions. Most of the witnesses who testified on the first day said they were worried about irreparable economic losses. Some said they may have to cut staff to maintain their businesses.
We have some members that are finding out that the yarns and fabrics they ship to China are going to be subject to a 25% tariff, and then the finished products they ship from China back to the United States are going to be subject to a 25% tariff. So they're getting taxed twice, and that's not good.
Yeah, we're very concerned that if another 25% tariff goes into effect, that will place an enormous burden on the small businesses in the United States, because it will be too much money for them to carry the product.
And this is back in April. We estimated about a 24,000 job loss number. And this is both in the chemicals industry and the downstream industries. And this was on the initial $50 billion list of tariffs.
The new proposal is different from previous rounds of U.S. tariffs, which mostly targeted industrial products. That's because the measure aims at products closer to people's lives and that will force companies to eventually transfer their higher costs to consumers. Mark Fontes, CGTN.